Kambi mar Royal Media Services medo kuyo kod anyuola mar jaduong' Justus Okeyo kumu ma en wuon jafwambo marwa mar Ramogi TV kaendi miluongo ni Lydia Okeyo. Alam makende ne ringre mosenindo jaduong' Okeyo notim kawuono e kanisa mar Sitam Valley Road e kaunti ma Nairobi ka, kama anyuola osiepe kod jotelo mopogore opogore ne oyuoro mondo ochiw luor ne mosenindo. Anyuola mare ochiwo nende kaka japuonj mane ni kod chia mar tich kod rito familia mare. Ringre mosenindo Okeyo ichwale dala ne ma Wahambla e kaunti ma Homa Bay ne ik mare matimore chieng' tich abich mar jumani. Oweyo chien min ode men Pastor Elizabeth Okeyo kod nyithindo 10.
The day we launched Ramogi, I was proud of what of the level that of the extent that this had gone. And every day after doing our intro with Batty, I have my co-anchor called Joe Batty. He can attest to this, that the first message we get every day, every time, is from Dad. He inspired me to venture into this. He supported me through it all. But I know there is God in heaven. I want to encourage my siblings and my family members that let's stay strong.
Truly speaking, this has hit me the hardest, and it cuts across board on all of us.
He was a great soldier, and I'm remaining with the difficult work to do, because I want to follow the footsteps of him, so that I may one day we meet with him there.
We've been with you through this, and we'll continue doing this. As Royal Media Services, Ramogi TV particularly, we take environmental conservation very, very seriously. And as a family, we ask you that if each one of you can plant 71 trees in memory of your dad, that would be a befitting memory for him.